mga kaguti. Ito, may dala na ako pang patorok sa mga kambing. Naalala mo ba yung nung last vlog ko Monday na nag-wish ako kay Iyala? Ito, pakinggan nyo. Si Iyala, ang bigat ng tiyan. Nabigatan na siya. Parang di na makalakad. Siguro dalawang anak nito. Sana. Yun. Nanganak na siya nung Monday. Bumalik ko nung Monday. Naghapon. Ito nang nadatnan ko. Kaya itukat ko ngayon para balikan ko sila. Turukan ko sila ng mga kapitan. Itong ituro ko sa Kaiyala, DCM ito. Bali dextrose, calcium, magnesium, pampabalik sigla ng inahin, used to treat metabolic imbalance, especially milk fever, magnesium deficiencies. Magturok tayo ng 3 ml. Next, ito, Jetran iron. Bali turok natin ito sa dalawang anak ni Yala. Pampatibay ito ng buto, to prevent anemia, support rapid growth, boost immune system, patibay ng buto. Turukan natin sila ng 0.5 ml na naman. Ito, tiki-tiki, oral lang ito, oral. Painumin nyo sila ng 1 ml every day to promote health, appetite, support growth, development, pampatibay, pampalakas ng immune system, at saka pampatibay ng buto. Kaya ito, kaya samahan niyo ako, turukan na natin sila. Tara na.
I've been thinking about myself today. How have I changed? How I really don't care if you're not here or if you don't stay. I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry.
Yan. Ito si
All we
Chris.
ever do is laugh it off, and I'm thinking I don't know why. Do you remember that night we met? Thought you looked so fine. Guess we have to agree to this for this one last time. Pretty weird that day when we did not exchange our hellos. I wasn't looking out for you, I'm sorry, I'm so shallow. I'm still looking forward to watching part 2 of Deathly Hallows with you.
Ito naman, tiki-tiki. Tiki-tiki, 1 ml every day.
I don't care if I got much at all here in this small town. 'Cause in the end we're all gonna be inside the same hole in the ground. I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how have I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't want I'm still looking forward to watching part 2 of Deathly Hallows with you.
Yun, tapos na tayo kumpay. Tapos kung nakumpayan ang cage nila, bali hanggang maghapon na nila, bali bukas na naman balikan ko sila. Okay, tara na.
And I don't care if I got much at all here in this small town, 'cause in the end we're all buried deep inside the same hole in the